My driver. Yan ang aking driver.
Sapagkat bulag ang aking mahal.
Driver? Could you turn left, please?
Sure, sir. With all my pleasure.
Bring me to Baguio, driver. I'm not paying you a lump sum for nothing, huh?
No, you pay me ligaya.
No?
What?
You drive. I'm not paying you to talk. You drive.
You're so bad.
You're paid to drive. That's all.
Wala ka pang binabayad sa akin.
Drive.
Wala kang pera.
Here. Drive.
Yeah. What is that? I don't know that. Just ko na tayo.
Goodbye, Lawag.
Bakit?
Right. Do right. Pag magpaikot ka. Oh, bata. Yun, bata. Yun, bata. Oh. You follow that kalesa.
Sure.
So, drive.
However.
Drive. Oh. That's a partas.
Huwag mo na nangyayala sa pag-drive ko.
I'm not paying you to talk. Drive. Magdadrive ako hanggang Baguio.
Pinipita, wala ka namang aircon, wala kang gas.
Magdadrive ako hanggang Manila.
Bading!
Gusto kong matutong mag-drive.
Sakang bading!
Overtaken mo yan, overtaken mo yan. Yan, yan, yan.
Pati kalesa, pinapatulan mo. Saan ako?
Saan ka diba? Ayan, sa ibabaw. There, there, there. Yes. Drive! Like never before. Drive. Okay. We're going out of Lawag. Babu. Sign off. My driver.